What is a notary? That's probably one of the more common questions that I get asked as a notary. I'm Yoel Farkas, and I'm the founder of Mr. Notary. I'm also an attorney and a notary. And that little bio actually answers your question, because what it takes to become a notary in Israel is that a person must be licensed as an attorney for a minimum of 10 years. Then one is eligible to take the licensing requirements necessary to become a notary. As of the date of this recording, that involves a 5-day training course. Now, you may ask yourself, okay, so that's what it takes to become a notary, but what is it that the notary is actually doing? So it really depends on what you've come to the notary for. So let's say, for example, you are getting a mortgage and you've been asked to sign a power of attorney to the bank in front of a notary. So in such a case, what the notary is doing is authenticating that you are who you say you are, that you understand the nature of the document, and that you sign that document in front of the notary. So that's an example of a signature authentication. Another example is authentication of translations. So let's say, for example, you have to prove your address, and the proof that you have is an electricity bill, and that's in Hebrew. So you come to the notary to translate that into English, and to authenticate that it's a good translation, the notary can provide that authentication by stating that the notary speaks Hebrew and English, and that this translation into English is an authenticated translation. Another common type of notarization is a certified copy. So let's say you have a passport and you need to provide a certified copy of that passport to a government agency, for example. So in such case, you show the original passport to the notary. The notary makes a copy of it and then authenticates that this is a certified true copy of the original passport. There's all sorts of other types of examples of notarizations in Israel that I will be getting into in future videos, but that essentially answers your question. A notary is somebody who's licensed as an attorney for a minimum of 10 years. And in terms of what the notary does, it depends on the legal act that you need, but essentially notaries deal with authentication of documents, whether it's for signature authentication, certified copies, or translations, etc. I hope you found that video helpful. If you are in need of a notary, don't hesitate to reach out. Our contact information is available on our website at mrnotary.com. Looking forward to assisting you, and have a great day.